We didn't pass all the stuff.
Oh.
Yeah. Come on up. I'm going to kick you out again. Joe, if you put him back in the jury room.
All right. Come with me again, folks.
Well, some of you said you wanted to move a little bit. You didn't want to sit too long. Yeah, your stuff's all right there. Yeah, you're all right.
You guys know where to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
It's just amazing.
Yeah. Hi, Bill. Maze has been bugging her. Why isn't it on live stream? Why isn't it on live stream? I understand there's something to put on the record.
Yes, Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to.
Okay, pause right here. What just happened is huge. An offer was extended and accepted before trial. That means the defense and prosecution reach a negotiated resolution, likely a plea deal. This is how most criminal cases end, not with dramatic jury verdicts. And notice the tone: calm, procedural, efficient. No fireworks. But don't mistake calm for minor. Decisions made in moments like this can shape someone's next 2 years. Would you take a deal or risk trial?
To speak with defense counsel, and the offer was extended this morning, and my understanding is they have accepted it, and it would be 1 count of reckless driving, with the understanding that there will be multiple sentences.
Here's what, and I don't even know if the people know this, but when did we put you in sobriety court? How long has it been? 3 months? About?
So it's a little over 3 months.
Yes. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm inclined to do. She's in our sobriety court. Okay. I don't think there's a need for a PSI because this incident was before I put her on probation in our sobriety court. I'm inclined to just sentence her to 12 months probation, same terms as sobriety court.
Yeah.
I don't see the need for another screening.
I would defer to the court's discretion as long as it's the same terms as for other OWI cases.
Yeah. It's basically, I'm just going to track this probation with the one she's currently on.
Good and well done.
Mr. Duncan, any objections to that?
She would be placed in sobriety court, and I know she is already in law.
She's already in sobriety court.
Now this is strategic. The judge is tracking both cases together. Translation: if she messes up in sobriety court, she violates both files at once. That's not stacking punishment. It's consolidating accountability. And from a court efficiency standpoint, it makes sense. But from a defendant's perspective, the margin for error just got razor thin. Sobriety court isn't just probation. It's structured supervision with frequent check-ins, testing, and strict compliance. One slip could reopen everything.
Yeah, I'm just going to track this file with that file. So in other words, a violation of sobriety court probation violates on this file. All right. All right, so let's do it. Ma'am, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, I
You better sit down. You sit down because you're close. No, sit down. You're closer to the mic that way. Roll your chair over a little bit because you're soft-spoken, Miss Ashton. All right. Do you understand your rights and options?
yes, I
All right. Do you understand the possible penalty for reckless driving?
yes, I do.
All right. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes, I am.
Mr. Duncan, the incident date, April 15, 24, would you voir dire?
In the city of Bell, that was found in the paper.
Yes, I was.
And while we're operating, one of the you and essentially take your eyes off the road.
Yes, I did.
And taking your eyes off that accident by running into a park vehicle.
People satisfied with the facts? No.
And Judge, the prosecutor had to point maybe like,
Yeah, go ahead.
The record to reflect that he also had a blood alcohol number of 0.031 grams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood. I understand that's not the level for an OWI, but I think
It's factually correct.
yeah, that is correct, and it goes to why he was driving recklessly from our position.
All right. I'm satisfied that the facts have been met.
Did you catch that word? Reluctantly. That tells you the original charge was likely more serious, possibly OWI related, and this reckless driving plea is a negotiated reduction. Judges don't always love plea bargains, especially when public safety is involved. But the court also weighs rehabilitation. She's already in sobriety court. That matters. This moment isn't about punishment alone. It's about whether the system believes she's on the right track. And now everything depends on compliance. Here's the real question. Is this accountability or mercy?
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge reluctantly. Immediate sentence.
yes, Judge, and I guess that she's in sobriety court now, I guess that the sentence be a continuation of her participation in the court sobriety.
Done. And just a clarification, I misspoke because I said I was going to put her on probation. I think, well, maybe I didn't say it. That she's currently on a 24-month probation. She's less than 4 months in, I think. All right. So I'm going to put her on for 20 months probation just so it's tracking with the other file.
Thank you.
All right. Miss Ashton, don't feel that, excuse me, don't feel that you have to, but is there anything you want me to know before I sentence?
Can you say it?
It's a formality to give you a chance to talk. You don't have to.
Oh, so, sorry.
Hmm.
Sorry. Harvard.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right. All right. So go ahead.
In this case, there was another parked vehicle was.
Here's what I'll do. Here's what I'll do. I'll leave it to you to reach out to any victims that might have a restitution claim. Oh, she is.
It made like an insurance amount, so if I can just have a brief.
Go. Yeah. You're probably comfortable, right? Oh, boiling up here.
So, Your Honor, we would just reserve that for another,
That's fine.
her former partner, and you're no longer together, so she doesn't know the extent.
Ma'am, don't go away. Don't go away. I want you to hear this. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sentence Miss Ashton. I'm going to put her on probation. I put a note under restitution in the sentencing notes, TBD. Ma'am, if you have a restitution claim, contact Mr. Mohammed. He'll bring it to the court. We'll communicate with Mr. Duncan. If, for example, if you come in and you want $200, Mr. Duncan's probably gonna say it's not worth our time to come talk about it. We'll pay the $200. You come back and say, I want 20 grand, we'll probably have to have a hearing. Understood? Any questions? Now you can leave. Thank you for your time today. All right, anything else before I sentence? All right, Miss Ashton, I'm going to put you on probation for 20 months. Just tie it with the sobriety court file so the terms are the same. I'm assessing court costs on $500. When can you pay that? All right. Okay, you're all set. Thank you. Mr. Muhammad, are you two going to be around for a few minutes?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to go talk to the jury, get them out of here, and then I want to talk to you guys. You're welcome. Okay, I'm just going to go in and schmooze in a little bit. You can have a file.
Heather, I'm just gonna leave this here, or do you want it up there?
Oh, that's one. I got it from clean.
Or-
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. Wow. Nice seeing you. Nice seeing you. Well, it's a big seeing you. Yeah, okay. Very good.